Hi everybody, being attacked by bugs out here. Anyway, we're on the family fishing trip, and I thought I'd show you where we're staying. My family is actually currently in the house. It's me, my brother, my parents, and my aunt, my uncle. So, I'm going to show you where we're staying, and hopefully we'll do the outside pretty quick so we can get away from these bugs. Alright, here's the lower level. There's no living space down here. Like I said, we're doing this part a little fast because I'm trying to get away from all these bugs trying to carry me off. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The lake, which I will show you up there in a minute. Yeah, anyway, that's the dome. And now we get to go up. Sorry for the shakiness. Oh. I tell you what, I'll show you up here on the dock first. The random tree for some strange reason. Let's see here. It's all of our gear, the poor crickets, which are bait, obviously. But yeah. I'm really hoping that ceiling fan works. And this is Blackshear, Lake Blackshear in Georgia, which I guess this is actually like a channel or something like that that comes off of it, of the actual lake. And of course you have the uncovered part down there. Anyway, and it is hot as crap. It's what, May 10th. It's already hot as crap, so we're in trouble. That would be Chris you see in the window. Alright. Now. Say hi, Chris.
Hi, Chris.
Smart buddy.
You knew I was going to say that.
Yeah, I would have to. It's okay. He's alright.
I forgot the fishing rods.
There's Mama. Say hi, Mama. Mama.
Hi, Mama.
It's everybody. See, must be a family trait.
Hello.
Must be a family trait. Chris did the same thing. I told him, I said, say hi, Chris. He said, hi, Chris. This is where Mom and Dad are actually sleeping, up here. Little nook, I guess you'd call it. Whatever. With crappy lighting, because I didn't turn the light on. There's Chris again. He's, bless you, setting up his RC cars. Which we're going to drive later. Come around here. Here's the bathroom with no lights, apparently. Hey, let there be light. I actually haven't come in here yet. And this is just not showing up very well, but anyway, there's the shower. This is obviously Mom and Dad's. No, that's the shower. Like I said, I've been in here. That's a closet, not a shower. And back down the steps. That's nice, man. That's Uncle Mike and no, that's Uncle Mike. That's Dad. The stairs with no handrail. I don't know what they're discussing. There's Mom in the kitchen again. is, yeah, this is where my aunt and uncle are sleeping. Here, let me get backing up to the door here. Maybe you can see a little better. Yeah, there we go. And another hallway. That actually goes like back down the steps that I first come up. This is where Chris is sleeping. And the funny part is there are 4 bunk beds in here, but I'm still sleeping on the pull-out sofa because we just don't do well sleeping in the same room because I snore. So does he, but I snore worse. And there's that. And then
Got
in the
a
bathroom. You got a what?
wash and dryer downstairs. Downstairs?
Okay. Hey, here we go. There's me in the mirror. Hi. How you doing? Trying to make this somewhat quick. There's the pooper. I'm sure y'all really wanted to see that. Hey, there's me again. Hi. Anyway, bathroom. Turn lights off. And yeah, I guess she's saying there's a washer and dryer down there, but I'm not going down there right now. So yep, that's the tour.
I'd still manage to run it out onto the front.
Alright, we're gonna check out the basement.
And actually, it's pretty cool down here. Just because it's all concrete.
Yeah, heat rises.
Yeah, and the heat rises, yeah. Okay.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Well, they got plenty of storage room, don't they?
I was gonna say, I guess this, hey, ping pong table. Hey, he's washer and dryer.
Well,
Not sure what the partition's for, but
I had it upstairs at one time.
yeah, I guess,
And where's the light switch for down here?
I don't know.
Unless it was up there. Must be at the top of the stairs. Okay.
Alright. Hello. We're on day 2 of our fishing trip. You can tell I've already been fishing. It's turning red. Anyway, it got too hot sitting out in the sun. So we gave that up for the day. Now I'm just sitting out here enjoying watching the lake. But it's hot out here. And it's not even the dead of summer yet. I don't know. I would record more, but there's just not a whole lot to record, to be honest. We're just kind of hanging out. Not really doing much. So, yeah, that's it. I mean, I guess I'll see you in the next clip. Say hi, Chris.
Hello. Oh, is it video? Always do.
Yeah, he's okay. It's entertaining. It's fine. And shrimp, sausage, and hot dogs. It's hot.
It is hot.
Even hotter next to the grill, huh?
It's not even summer yet.
Yeah, no. So Deborah went down to Georgia and then he went home to cool off. I'm going back to hell where it's cooler.
Huh? No ketchup? I just like short pepper.
Yeah.
What you need.
Of course, it would storm on our fishing vacation. You know what I meant? Hey, excuse me. Set my pole down and told Mama, I said, tell me if this does something special.
Yeah.
At least we have to edit it down anyway. all the dirt from
Oh.
the worm bites.
Yeah.
Mom takes her fishing very seriously. Welcome back, Chris. Welcome back. The adventure's over. I look like a tomato. But anyway, we're headed back home now. And I'm going to close out the vlog because I don't know if I'll remember to close it out when we get home. But anyway, we will see you in the next video. Bye bye fishing trip.